This Mitsubishi Delica with 4M40 diesel under the hood has one problem, one glow plug fail, but it will start, it will run, no problems. Let's fire it up and see how it runs. You will hear a sputtering, misfire. Here we go. Good morning everyone. Today we have a Mitsubishi Delica, and this is a diesel 4M40, and this Delica developed a problem. Hard cold morning starts. It's not very cold outside, it's not cold at all. It's plus 15 degrees Celsius and 59 degrees Fahrenheit. And in the last couple weeks this beautiful van started having problems with the cold starts, and yeah, it puffs the smoke, and it was just fine before. Let's verify the problem. And again, we only have 182,000 clicks on the clock. Glow plugs are off. Listen for relay, turn it off, and let's crank it and see how it looks like. You can see here it started, fired up, and you can hear the misfiring. Yeah, it has a miss, and it's smoking. Just unburned diesel fuel. That's what's happening. Engine is warming up, no miss anymore, but this vehicle needs glow plugs. Take care everybody, and see you next one. Bye bye.